Naciones Unidas para la Educación y Science and Culture.
People have always made the most inhospitable regions accessible. Old mule tracks crisscross the countless mountain passes of the canton of Graubünden like fine veins. Transporting goods across the mountain was long a source of livelihood, fraught with danger. In the valley, one would often hear people say that someone would never return from the Albula or died on the Bernina. At the end of the 19th century, after a decades-long debate over where the railway line should be placed and who should participate in the decisions, engineers trekked through the region, measured the land, and drew a new ironway. Farmers agreed to let railway tracks go right through their barns, as long as the trains did not run too late into the night. They did not want to get up to open the barn door to let the locomotives through. A new era had dawned. More than 5,000 workmen moved 1 million cubic meters of earth and rock. Nearly 200 bridge arches were built and almost 62 kilometers of railway track were laid, of which 1/4 ran straight through the mountain. After only 5 years' construction work, in 1903, the first steam engine traveled up the Albula Valley, through the tunnel and into the Engadin. At a stroke, the journey from Chur to St. Moritz that had taken 15 hours by stagecoach now took a mere 4 hours. Driven by a wave of enthusiasm, the rail network was expanded ever further into the mountains. An electrically powered railway was built from St. Moritz up to the Bernina Pass at 2,253 meters, and then down to Tirano, 1,824 meters below, through tight curves and particularly steep inclines, up to 70 per mil. Defying enormous snowbanks, the Bernina Railway began to operate year-round just 3 years after it opened. Visitors from all over the world took the Rhaetian Railway to travel to fashionable mountain resorts, delighting in the views afforded from the train carriage windows. It's almost as if the landscape only opens itself up to us fully through railway engineering structures carefully built into the natural landscape. The extraordinary interplay of this feat of engineering with the natural landscape was the reason the Albula-Bernina Rhaetian Railway line was included in the World Heritage List in 2008.